Timmy, a kid like a startled squirrel, visited Dollywood. He thought it'd be chill. Nope. Why? Like a rodeo bull, the day threw him. He rode the blazing fury thrice. Again, he yelled. His mom sighed. Timmy, it's like chasing a ghost. You'll never catch it. He just grinned. Then, a pigeon, a big bold bird. It landed on Timmy's head. He froze. The pigeon cooed. It was wearing a tiny cowboy hat. Timmy became Pigeon Timmy. He fed the birds, forgot the rides. Dollywood became Pigeonwood. Mom just shook her head. Sometimes, life's best rides are feathered, not steel.